Hello guys from Ukraine. Despite Russian attack, we still continue life, we still have hobbies, and today I'm gonna show you little tricks with battery which make your service more easier. Okay, we have a new battery because my previous battery broken. I don't know its quality previous battery because my bike 2011 and I don't know what battery maybe previous owner installed this battery only for sale. Anybody know how 10 cap battery? Some guys trust this operation for some guys in services, but it's easy to do by self. Yeah, we have to little shaking. Maybe push help. Yeah, push more useful than shaking. Yeah, that's it. I guess it. Feel it. Okay. Then we close, and actually we don't need charge manually battery. It's enough, it has enough power for first start. Then I'm gonna show you little bit useful operation. Yeah, I have a scotch. I don't know operation. I don't know definition in your language. Maybe it's only duct tape. You know, a lot of cars which has battery, and battery also has a handle, or maybe handlebar, maybe more correct. It help eject and install battery to car, but for bikes we actually battery we don't have a handle, and we can eject, and difficult install and difficult inject, especially inject when we get up this from bike. What I gonna do? Is first step. Then I just cover. Yeah, this one like that. I guess 3 layers is enough. Okay, 4 layers. Yeah, it's first step, which make your life more easy. Yeah, because now we have handle. So get up this battery. Then it's more common situation. Sometimes screw is too short to heat up nuts, because of a lot of for a lot of people, but maybe like me, we have a I have additional equipment for in battery, like additional lights and contact more fat than expected. Okay, anybody know it's a package type? We can cut piece of this material and install below nuts. I don't know if this definition correct or not. Language, anyway, if you not understand me, I will create subtitles, yeah, like that. Then we can push nuts. Yeah, that's redundant. And left side. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, and now, yes, easy to install. Screw in battery. Yes, and we have to a little bit dirty after rain. Yeah. Yeah, I have additional equipment and for lights and for USB port for charge my phone when I ride by road. Okay, now you see, it was easy. Yes, it's also easy to remove. And now you see how difficult and uncomfortable eject previous battery. Yeah, battery was broken. It's my fix, what I before. And now you see, yeah, I have a handle and it's more easy to install. Yeah, it's okay. Little bit destroy my bike. Then we do like that thing. Oh, too hot. Today weather is hot, unexpected hot. Okay, you see as how easy I twisting maybe this screw, then okay. yeah, it's done. So now I going to wait 30 minutes. Fix one again, check again. All what we need. This behavior can be used in any other bike. It was only example. Yes. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all countries who help Ukraine. I hope enemy will be destroyed.